I didn't see any flower.
One
down.
seat.
One down locker.
One flower pot dead.
We have 3 down pushing.
Down next to you, Callisto. There's still one over Nook office area.
One flower pot on the left.
ATM down.
EJ, watch out to your left, EJ.
I'm regenning.
There's your first aid. Pick it up.
One bomb, I think.
One more there.
Pick up the first aid.
I'm down. You got him, I think.
Here's your first aid.
I'm going. Hold on, one in locker. Sorry.
In locker?
No, sorry. You stole both of those, you asshole. Fucking dick. One there, to the right, Callisto.
One push.
Two more. That's what I wanted, Callisto. I'm down. Okay.
Somebody watch right. Thank you.
I'm down again.
Snarf, I can see it fine. This is not the same team that we played 2 nights ago. Okay.
They aren't using tubes. That's probably one of the reasons. One yellow dump.
Van down.
Yellow dump.
I don't see him. Yep, I'm almost dead.
I'm almost dead.
No hits.
I hit him. Naded.
It's close to the right.
Hit detection.
He's lit to the right.
Hit him again.
Got him.
Yellow dump.
Yellow dump. I'm done. Got him. Nope.
I need a res.
Fuck.
I don't have any ammo.
I'm down. Behind you. Yellow dump. One. Trying to reload.
Oh, I died from
Middle.
front elevator or front door opening.
Got him.
I need his gun. Where was it?
I need his gun. Hold on.
He was right side somewhere.
Callisto, there is a guy over there to the right somewhere.
Snarf, what do you want me to
Probably
do?
by that burning
Oh god.
Just wait for me to respawn. Let's try to pick somebody.
Alright. I have like 6 bullets in this.
Yellow
I
down.
got shot in the back from bus.
I'm watching our back. Let me peek.
Let's make sure to res me.
Nade.
Let me get you that first aid right now.
On you, Callisto. Well, maybe not.
Careful, Nomad. $14 tickets left.
God. Yellow dump is so annoying.
I'm down.
We should just go right side.
How? I didn't
Shot in the
even
back from
see him.
bus.
I'm down again. Snarf.
Yeah.
No hits.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Listen, bait me. You're gonna have to watch the back though, Snarf.
Right when I turned away.
Here's your med kit, man.
Going to Nomad, Snarf.
Take that fucking shit, asshole.
Actually, you
The guy
wanna
right
push?
side. Let's push him. Let's push this faggot. Come on.
I need his gun.
What the fucking bullshit?
Just spawn.
We broke
through
through.
the left side.
One.
One glass.
Oh my god, that guy's got really good aim.
Bus is dead. It's 2 dead. One inside bus. Still inside bus, he's hit. That wasn't him. I didn't get kill assist.
I have one
Yeah, here's your med kit.
I'm gonna plant.
covering bomb.
That
I'll get
guy's
him.
lit on bomb, super lit.
I'm down. God damn it! Don't
That guy
res. Do
Redding's
not
got
res. Play
amazing
smart.
aim.
Got your first aid over here.
30 seconds, Snarf.
He's on
On
bomb.
Callisto.
Callisto got him. Please stay alive so I can respawn.
I have a good spawn for you, I think. It's alright.
Whoa.
It's okay. Plant.
Here's your first aid.
Got him.
One going to the left. The left.
Okay.
One on bomb right now.
No, he
on
doubled
bomb.
back up.
I'm down.
Second
Stairs.
floor, across from bomb site,
On
where I
bomb,
was.
On bomb.
I can't move. You're iron sighted in a doorway.
Window. Second floor. He's dead.
One down.
It's 2
Two
dead.
down.
That's 2 dead.
One at the corner. One at the corner where Lauren's looking.
Got
It's
him.
down. 3 down. I'm going with Snarf. I'm gonna babysit the bomb.
Bus one, Callisto.
It's down.
Nice.
Behind! I couldn't res. God damn it. Where's our teammates?
Regenning.
No, wait.
Stairs is dead. I'm dead too. I don't know where he was. He's on that guy's corpse. There's 2 right on my corpse.
They're all lit. I'm planting.
2 down, 2 down.
I'm down on bomb. God damn it.
Shit. Redding.